Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful than you ever imagined. Romy. Hey champ, I want to work with you and coach you one on one. I want to hold your hand and help you flip bikes to the next level. I'm going to share with you secrets that no one knows, insider tips on how to get deals, how to find bikes, how to flip them really fast, how to scale your business so you can take the business from four figures to 5 figures to 6 figures to 7 figures or whatever your goal is, and use systems. On top of that, I want to professionalize your business. So I'm going to give you a bonus of a professional website for your local business. On this website, you're able to add your inventory, you're able to track your inventory, you're able to sell online. Okay, let people know what you have. Okay, at the same time, more importantly, you're able to buy bikes from sellers that are local in your area. Okay, and this website will cost you $1,500. I'm going to do a professional copyright. It's going to be professionally done for you, and you get it totally for free with the coaching. Okay, so what is included? What are you going to get? Are you going to get 1 month of coaching with me? You're going to get that professional custom made website for your company where you can easily add your inventory, track it, etc. Plus you're going to get access to my cell phone and my email address so I can help you in every direction, from what to say, what not to get, so you don't lose money, and again, how to scale your business so you can take it to the next level where you're not working, you can have other people doing the stuff for you, doing the bike flip for you. Okay, so what are you going to get? I will hold your hand and coach you. Are you ready to be your dreams? For just $9.97, I'll work with you directly for 1 month straight, guys, for 1 month straight. Click get started right now. I'll see you on the other side.